Today we're taking a quick look how to use InVideo AI to create a short intro video using the new Generative AI process. So I'm thinking about doing one for my YouTube channel. Here I want a short 5-second intro video to my YouTube channel. I create over-the-shoulder how-to videos on using ChatGPT and other AI software. I would like this intro to be at the start of each of my YouTube videos. AI Legend is my channel and website name. So just plug that in, give it a minute to do its thing. We'll let it analyze. I'll pause and be back once it's done. Now I've just noticed while it's doing its thing, it's actually researching the website. So if you have got a website with the logos and other information, it would probably be a good idea to add that in here into the prompt, which I will do once it's done. I just thought I'll show you that while it's doing it. Okay, now it's done its thing. That did take a few minutes. You can now select generative media. So this is my actual first time using it. It's not the cheapest of things. I believe it's $10 per 60 seconds. So visual style, animation, anime, realistic. I think animated intro would be fine. AI enthusiast, text over YouTube. Platform for YouTube. I actually might make two. One realistic, one animation, because I'd like to see I'm sure everyone wants to see what it can do realistic. Alright, we'll do realistic first, and then I'll create a second one doing animation. So let's let it do its thing, and again, I'll come back once it's done. Okay, I'm not going to lie, that took probably about 7 minutes to create 10 seconds of video. I am going to run some testing on this, but let's see how it looks. Why has it got... I like this. AI Legend. I think the InVideo part is just for shits and giggles. So we can check that by going here. And that is our actual video. So the InVideo part there is just because it's not downloaded yet. So we can download that and check it properly. But I mean, that's not the greatest thing I've ever seen. But I'll download it, check, no, I might have a play around with it first. So remove the scene of the people. They provide nothing to the intro. I think if that one scene was actually removed, it wouldn't be too bad. But the AI, I assume, is why there's just one big eyeball there. So we have removed the scene of the people they provide, swap to the people scene with the cityscape intro now sleek. So they've just added iStock. So yeah, I mean, hey, that could definitely work. Now I will try using animation. I will use the same prompt, or I might change the prompt a little bit. So let's create a new one. Hopefully I've still got my prompt here. Website is ailegendonline.com. The website's not built yet, guys. That's still a work in progress, which I really should get started on, but I'm slacking. What else do we want here? So we want the animation to run smoothly for about 5 to 7 seconds. Emphasizing the name AI Legend. Emphasizing the name AI Legend Yeah, I think that will do. All right, we'll do the generate process again. I will actually try and time it a bit better this time to see how long it actually takes. Generate video. Let's go 11:42. I'll pause you and come back once we're done. Okay, so that's taken 3 minutes. This time we're going to go animation, background. We will go bright, funky. Let's go with funky. Why not? And we will generate this one. See how we go. Okay, 11:58. So that was probably over 10 minutes. We have got a 24-second clip done. What is going on here? Subscribe now and master AI tools. So I could not the biggest fan of that, but I did like parts of it. Probably just use that one clip. That's a 4-second clip. That's all it needs. It's just I could actually just cut that and use that. What was this one? This was doing nothing, was it? Well, that one's pretty cool, actually. Okay, so can I just take... No, I don't want to swap that over. Save changes. So what I'm going to do is actually download that. When I download it, it removes all the watermarks and things, comes out in 1080p. I will cut out that last section of the video. I'll add it to the start of this video, and you guys can have a look at the new intro that I'll be using, and let me know in the comments below what you think, because I'm quite interested in getting an intro going on my videos. So thanks for watching. Again, once you've seen the intro on this video, please let me know what you think in the comments below, and we'll take it from there. Oh, and that cost me in total probably less than $2 to create those clips. So it's, as I said, it's not the cheapest thing. It's definitely not free, but I mean, I'm sure I could play around with prompting and get better at it. That was my first time using this, the generative AI. So that is actually 100% AI making the video rather than using stock footage and things. So yes, I will keep working on it, and I will show you videos in the future as I get better with it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Catch you in the next video.